I don't want to be in it. What's happening?
Hello and welcome to another video. We are in darkness now. Oh yes. We have been on the road since 7 o'clock this morning and we are still about an hour away from our final destination. As many of you will know, or maybe not know, this is my girlfriend Elsie. Marry that girl. You might know Elsie from some previous videos such as the Bean Boozled challenge and what was the other one? Why do you get so shy? We are on shut up! So we are on our way to Paddock Motors BMW over in...
Sorry, I'm actually really...
Shut up! No! We are on our way to Paynton, is that how you say it?
Yes, Paynton.
Paddington? Torquay,
Paddington.
Exeter Way, where Paddock Motors are based. So we are off to see the lovely Mark, who has been rebuilding the Torque 36. So this will be the first time seeing it. I don't know if I'm going to actually show you the entire car, because I think I might want to keep that a secret. Big reveal! It won't be today or this weekend, but we have some exciting things going on this weekend, including a jet ski safari. Elsie, you can look at yourself more if you want to in the camera, but there is a mirror up there if you want to as well. Welcome back to another video. If you're not part of the Talk Nation already, make sure to like and subscribe. Anything else you want to add, Elsie?
No.
Nothing?
I just feel so uncomfortable.
I just feel so uncomfortable. Look, film the horse. Caution horses, caution courses. That's what I like to say.
Oh my god, the owner looked like a horse.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the owner looked like a horse to me.
Stop it. Please.
We have arrived at Paddock Motorsports. We're here. It's been a long drive, but Mark has gone inside to unveil the door. We've got Chris, who's also had a helping hand in the car. But this is it. For the first time. The suspense is killing me. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, she is absolutely stunning.
You'd have to bear in mind it's more quite there, but the face.
Dude. Oh my god. And today we are doing something that I didn't actually expect that was going to be happening. So that is going to be it for me today. Thank you so much to my guys for having me today. There's so much more projects to be done with this car. I'm so excited to have it. So again, yeah, I'm buzzed. So this was a video I didn't intend on making. I had an unfortunate accident that involved me spinning around and planting the car into a ditch. I was so excited to start making content, and I feel after this happened, it's taken me a good couple of weeks, like I said, 3 weeks, not just to get over my injuries, but also to kind of build up the confidence to come back in front of camera. And I guess through this kind of dark cloud comes a silver lining. Second gift. Be right back. Got to plug the motor, Kelsey. So it might be nice to have a motor. And then I'll let you look at a one of one. Mate, thank you so much. It's genuinely good.
Oh, bless you.
I can't. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Let's do this.
Oh, you look stunning. What a good looking man. So, this is Paddock Motors down in, is it Paynton? I don't know. Paynton. I don't know how to say Paynton really, because there's a silent G somewhere.
There's a G,
yeah, that dyslexics always can't really. So we're down at Paddock Motors with the incredible Mark, who has just done something with this and made a thing. Just, it's unbelievable what you've done, and I don't really know how to put it into words, but we're going to go through a quick little breakdown of what's been going on, and a bit of a tour of the car and what else is left to do. So,
yeah, absolutely.
Right, Mr. Mark.
Yes.
The light is on you.
So unlike your old car, that you pull a handle and it actually opens.
Yeah, I had to use pliers for mine.
So yeah, engine bay wise, obviously we swapped your engine over, induction kit and what have you.
Yeah.
Nothing really major under here. Other than we've got to rig up your electric cooling fan, because originally this car had a viscous fan.
Okay.
Your other car had done away with it. This car had done away with it. So we've got to rig that up on this car with a sensor, which is no problem at all. Other than that, under the bonnet, it's pretty much standard.
And the engine, when you pulled it out, everything was kind of okay. It wasn't too messed up from
we did have
the
it
accident.
running in your old shell before we ripped it out, which was absolutely amazing, because I never thought that was going to run in a million years.
Never. Like, I thought everything would have been shunted forward and
absolutely. I was
all
worried
sorts.
about fuel tanks and lines and stuff like that, but we put a battery pack on it, stood around for a month or so in a recovery yard, and away it went, and it was absolutely as sweet as. The only thing we've really done to this engine, we've replaced the cam cover gasket, because it was absolutely pouring out oil in the corner, so you won't get that horrible oil smell.
Good.
Set up plugs, changed the oil and filter, just normal service items, and it was ready to go.
Amazing.
It's clutch delay valve, which used to be a mod back in the day.
Okay, what does that do?
Remove the clutch delay valve. Okay, so it's basically a one-way valve. So when you press the clutch down, fluid goes through the pipe and pushes the clutch open. When you release the clutch pedal, it gives it a bit of a delay in coming back.
Okay.
So it allowed, when these cars were current, just a bit of a smoother change, but a much slower gear change.
Okay.
So we've taken that out. So clutch is in, out, in, out.
Nice, so it's a bit more raw.
Bit more raw, but
excellent.
It used to be a big mod back in the
heyday.
Coilover suspension on this car.
Yeah, this one came with BC coilovers already, didn't it?
It had already been fitted. We haven't touched it, but we have done a four-wheel alignment on it, so we know that.
And it doesn't look as low as the previous one.
No, I mean you can put it where you want it. To be honest, fully adjustable, as is all coilovers, but. It's kind of a happy medium, I think you would describe it.
Definitely. I didn't want it to. Ethan, our road boy, what's going on?
Only other thing we've done geometry suspension wise is it's running 12mm spacers at the front.
Oh, nice.
And 15mm spacers at the back.
That classic 12 and 15. Hashtag Motec Performance.
Motec Performance.
Mike will know all about the 12 and 15mm spacers.
M3 mirrors we've painted and fitted, which I think the M3 mirrors actually sparked all this off in the first place. It was just a chance conversation.
They did. So let me give you the lowdown on the M3 mirrors. Basically, Mark came up to get some parts from Motec, and he's like, I heard you got an E36. Here are some M3 wing mirrors. I was like, amazing, but I can't use them. He was like, why not? Well, this happened. And then go and put a little picture. At that point, you put a little picture of the broken car. So yes, broke the car, and he was like, right, well, can't use those. And then obviously 3 days later came back with a new thing. Anyway, that was the story about the three mirrors. Carry on, Mark.
We've put your original M-Tech side rubbing strips on. Got to replace the other ones yet, just waiting for clips, so that'll all be done. We've just put one on to wet your tight a little bit.
So it looks nice. The black kind of follows in suit, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Just a wider strip, retro again.
Yeah, this car is like the epitome of retro. I love it. I just absolutely love it.
Good old BMW Motorsport spoiler. With
this is naughty. I didn't notice this before.
Yeah, back in the day you could have it with a brake light or with a sticker.
Okay.
And the trick was to go with the sticker because the brake light used to break. PDC sensors, someone went to town with the spec originally and they actually work.
So they actually work, they actually work.
Next time you disappear through a hedge backwards,
at least I'll
have a little bit of audible warning.
That's it, mate. At least I'll know before I hit the hedge.
Absolutely.
Bro, I love that.
If you could actually refrain from doing that, that would be...
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Other than that, we're pretty much done, other than a bit of wiring. This car had a really nasty aftermarket alarm system, which we ripped out, so we just got to make good on that.
Amazing.
And the headlining is a little bit saggy, which is typical BMW of the era. So we'll pop the headlining out, sort that out, and the arches, just a few bubbles on the arches, so I want to get that done for you.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. And we should note, this one has a sunroof.
It does have a sunroof and fully functioning.
Amazing.
That's pretty much it, that's the car. And I said I wasn't going to show you the colour, but I've decided this is going to be impossible to do in black and white, so I'm just going to do it in colour. My mind is blown, my mind is like crazy, absolutely mental.
Mark's just showing me, this is my old exhaust with cats included, with a bit of dirt. Oh, everyone loves the dirt.
So I think we're actually going to call it a day here and actually crack on with the next vlog, which is going to be us going jet skiing. Am I right, sir? Yes, liked and subscribed, mate. What are you doing if you're not? Make sure you're getting your t-shirts at talkchasers.com. Mark, Paddock Motorsports, if you just have to follow them now. If you're part of the Talk Nation, you're part of the Paddock Nation.
Paddock Nation.
Paddock Nation. Hashtag Paddock Nation. That's it. Video done. I'll see you later. Yes, baby. Is it beautiful in the sunlight? Yes. So look, like in light, like actual sunlight.
No, it sets it right off from it.
Really, really does.
It's almost matte, like it's also like a matte purple.
It is from here, and then you walk up to it, and it's sparkly as
Then
you like.
it's fun.
Oh, I absolutely love it. I love. We'll take a photo and then we'll go. Thanks for filming.